We're gonna make
Salsa.
blender salsa. You might be thinking, what's blender salsa? Well, it's salsa that you throw in a blender. It's restaurant style. You're gonna love it. You need a knife. This one was gifted to me by
Tyler Florence.
That's correct. And who's Tyler Florence?
I don't know. I don't know.
Teach these kids anything. What do we need to do first?
Cut up the tomatoes.
Yes, this is her, like she loves blender salsa. It's fantastic. This is her recipe. So let's cut up the tomatoes.
Should we both cut them up? Do you have another knife or you need a sharp one?
That is a good question. You always want the sharpest knife possible. Why?
So then it can have cleaner cuts, right?
That's one reason. And then a very other important reason.
So you don't cut yourself.
That's right, because if you're cutting with a dull knife, you're gonna put more pressure, and more pressure increases the chance of an accident. So, step one, you have your tomatoes. So many, so many, so many. We're just gonna cut it in half. Boom. And then we wanna take this little guy out. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because it's no bueno. I'm gonna cut these up, help the process out. As I'm cutting them up, you get your blender. Boom. So just gonna toss those in there. Let's keep you on that side, because I don't want to cut your finger. Don't reach over here. How's everybody's December? You doing well? We're doing great, right?
Yeah.
So much to be thankful for. You didn't have school for a year, doing online learning. How's that going?
It's good. It's okay.
It's okay? Is it weird not seeing friends and socializing?
Yeah.
Is that upsetting?
No.
Not upsetting?
No.
It upset me. How many tomatoes have we put in so far?
I have no idea. I think like
It's your recipe.
5, right? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Probably.
Boom, we have 5 or 6 tomatoes. Now what's up?
The onion's next.
The onion's next. This is a very, very large onion, yes?
Yeah.
So yes, chef.
Yes, Jeff.
But since this was a large onion, should we just do like half?
Yeah.
Okay, halved it. I'm gonna quarter. Quarter. Go ahead. Boom. When we say thank you for coming, thank you for doing your job, because that's what's important, especially in this climate, right? Everybody needs to do their jobs.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
It takes all of us. It takes all of us. Now, jalapeno. You don't like it spicy, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, chef.
Thank you. So I'm gonna taste it.
That's spicy.
It's not very spicy. 4 pieces?
Maybe one more. Is it really spicy?
I don't think so. Like, it's not even giving me spice burn on my tongue.
Just put in 5 then. I want to taste it.
That piece might. Yeah, okay. It's got the
Aftertaste.
this part, the ribs and the seeds is where the spice is at. So let's just do 4. Boom. Look at that. How many ingredients have we put in so far?
3.
3 ingredients.
Cilantro. Wait, is it cilantro?
Yes, it is. So you're just gonna rip it off, right?
Dump it in.
Throw it in. Now, for the pièce de résistance. What's next? Oh, that's spicy.
I know. Lime juice.
We'll do that after. We'll do that to taste. How do we turn this into?
Blend it.
That's right. Blend it. Go ahead.
Okay. That's how you put it on?
It's your recipe. Wrong way.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So like the handle would be towards you, yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Okay.
How do you
So
put this on?
this is also a little tricky. These Cuisinarts, they're so that piece goes in the back.
Okay.
And you jam it on.
Okay.
Okay. And now
Blend it.
do it! That didn't work.
I think you're gonna need a bigger blender. I mean, blade.
I think the blade's not on. Reset, camera reset. Like it never even happened.
Alright.
Now,
Post it.
pulse it. Pulse it. Pulse it.
Does it still need to be blended?
I don't know, you tell me. You're the. Hold on. Let's
Test it.
take a look at that. Look at that consistency. It's up to you.
I think a little bit more.
You think a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you the boss. Go ahead.
That should be good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
You spent all that time, hard work, labor,
Mm-hmm.
growing your own tomatoes, right? Foraging
Yeah.
for your own onions. And now you want to treat it with respect. You're going to pour it into this nice glass bowl. And you basically made enough salsa to feed the neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
So they're all stoked about that. Woo! And this is going to, right now it's a little frothy, but as it settles, it's going to look amazing. What else?
Lime juice.
Lime juice. Why lime juice?
I don't know.
Well, to brighten it up, freshen it up. We don't have fresh limes, but we have the juice. So we're just gonna squirt that in.
Mm-hmm.
It's about 1 lime, right?
Probably, yeah.
Probably. And then
Salt.
salt. Now, you can always add salt. You can't take it away.
Mm-hmm.
But this does require a bit of amount of salt. So go ahead. So that was about,
Maybe like tablespoon?
maybe, probably around there. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Boom, that looks delicious, right?
Mm-hmm.
Woo, that looks good. What's left to do?
Taste.
Taste test! Oh, this bag of chips is like 4 ounces. This brand, by the way, this is not an ad. We wish it was, so let's do it right now. Late July organic Tostitos. Late July organic tortilla chips. Not only do they taste great, they're great for the environment. I made that last part up, but they are organic.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
They taste like restaurant, freshly made. Way better than Tostitos. But if Tostitos wanted us to do a salsa recipe, we love them too. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
That's good. No?
No, it's really good.
Yeah. So there you have it. How many ingredients?
4.
4 ingredients. Blender salsa. It's like you're right at the restaurant. Took no time at all. Cheers. Ooh!